Hi guys!
Welcome to our channel!
Don't forget to subscribe!
Please like and share our video!
Welcome to Thursday tutorial with Julia. For today, what we will be teaching you is how to put end screens sa inyong YouTube video. As you can see, yung video that we have, almost all of the videos that we have, ay merong mga na-feature na videos at the end. Yung dalawang videos, or you can choose one. So that after they watch your video, or at the end part, your other video will also be promoted. Parang may engganyo din sila to watch your other videos. Kasi nalagay nyo sila sa inyong end screens. So how do we do that? Here's how to do it.
To add clickable links, you go to your channel, go to upload videos, choose the file that you want to upload. Tapos ilagay niyo yung title ng video, yung description. So guys, you really have to complete all of these details because it will help you in one way or another. Pagkatapos yung nalagay yung title ng video, tsaka yung description, there are other information that you need to fill up down below. You also have to put in your thumbnail. And for this one, example lang, yung sa ating previous vlogs, yung sa ating previous Thursday tutorial na add custom thumbnail. You then choose, is it for kids, yes or no? And then I suggest you make a playlist, yung sa amin, Thursday tutorial or YouTube tutorial. So put that in there kasi isang theme lang siya, about tutorials lang siya lahat. Of course, you key in all the tags that you can remember or that you think is applicable for the video. And we only put in 2 kasi example lang to. And then you also have to choose the category, if it's how to, if it's about travel. And while we are still uploading the video, hindi nyo pa makikita yung option to add the end screen. And I opted to continue the process kahit wala pa yung option kasi ang maganda dito if we continue it is you can see the percentage kung anong percent na yung na-upload ng video mo. And while waiting for it, you can edit the video and then edit the end screen or add the end screen by clicking here. And then may options kayo if you want 2 videos and then yung subscribe ba or 1 video lang and then subscribe. For this one, I chose 2. That's what I usually choose para dalawa yung videos na mapopromote. Now for this sample account, wala tayong other videos and I was surprised then kasi you can promote pala the videos of other YouTubers or other creators. So that's what I'm doing now. You can, of course, if you have lots of videos already, you can add it here. You can choose from here. But since wala tayo, our example is links from other channels. Once you're done, eto na yung makikita nyo. Meron na kayong clickable links at the end of the video.